A very sunny and hot Sunday, 8th of October. Welcome to Rugen Trades. Today we're looking at the Bursa, the construction sector. If you're new to my channel, well, I am what they call an anchovy or ikan bilis in the stock market, swimming along the sharks and the whales. So being an ikan bilis, I'm equipping myself with the art of technical analysis to help me maneuver the ups and downs of the market. The video content is intended for learning and sharing purposes, so make sure you do your own research before making any buy or sells. So let's get on with it. 5 days time, budget 2024 will be revealed, and this usually is a good time for construction stocks. Or is it too late to jump in the bandwagon? I'll be looking at the construction index and two construction stocks, WCT and Widad. The platform I'm using to track the sectors and do my charting currently is TedOptimus. I'm using their 2-week free trial. As of last Friday's close on 6 October, the best performing sector on the Bursa was none other than construction, up almost 0.9%, followed by property, Ace Market, telco, and industrial products. Before deep diving into the charts, here is just an overview. You can see that clearly has been on an uptrend recently, and these are the stocks within the construction sector, and these are some of familiar names. And let me just sort by market cap, and you can see the big boys on top: Gamuda, IJM, Sunway Construction, Widad is there. Further down we've got WCT, and Widad and WCT I've positions in these two stocks, therefore I'll be covering them in a bit more detail later on. As for the big winners last Friday, we've got three stocks all with double-digit percentage growth: 14%, 11%, SC Build, VZ1, and Econ Berhad. Well, the big question is, has the sector just begun to rise up, or it has been in the making for some time? So let's look at the construction sector index, and you can clearly see testing resistance in March this year, April, and in June as well, and eventually in July it finally broke up, and it has been on an upward trend since then. And you can see since July the RSI has been bullish, and this has kept the momentum of most of the construction stocks going higher. And you can see the on-balance volume has also been trending up. Exception is within the past month, it has gone a bit flat, but and the timing is just perfect. As we look at the trend line here, it has been very consistent in going high, making high highs and high lows. And now with the budget coming, we are looking at a potential further upside. And you can see this is the 200-day moving average, and everything good happens above the 200-day moving average. Now the only concern here is the RSI. To have the bullish momentum, it should and it must be above 50 and to the 80 region. So currently it is a bit of a divergence there, but we have to keep an eye on that. And the volume has picked up. As mentioned earlier, the past month has been flat, so to see more higher price action, we would want to see higher volume as well. Now the next chart we're looking at here is WCT. This is one of the big boys in the construction industry in Malaysia, and for the couple of months it has been trading within this range here, which I've highlighted in red. And eventually when it broke out and retested the support level, it has continued on the uptrend, and RSI remains bullish. On balance volume also trending up. And very quickly, just switching to the Donchian channel, indicator that shows that the price action has been at the upper range, and that is always a good sign to see that. So when I look at charts, of course, we have to bring the timeline a bit back further to look at the resistance, and at 60 cents, that is the price resistance. Last close was 57.5 cents, and once that reaches 60 cents, the next target will be 68 cents based on previous historical price action. And the final chart we have is Widad. Again, I've covered this chart previously in my earlier videos, and this is, look at the climb up here in terms of price. It's like walking upstairs. Every day it takes a step higher, and RSI is definitely on the bullish phase, and it is continuing to increase in terms of volume as well. If you look at the daily trades, the volume transacted is really off the charts, and as you can see from the steep rise in the OBV, something is happening, maybe some major announcement. But again, the chart can only tell us potentially what's happening. It doesn't guarantee that price will continue to go up, so we have to keep monitoring and to set our cut stop loss in case a reversal in the pattern. But for now, with the budget coming, so there might be a good surprise, so we just have to now patiently wait. It's like watching paint dry. So let's all just sit back and relax and wait for the next 1 to 2 weeks. The budget will be announced, and let's see if there's further momentum after the budget announcement. Let's hope for a good bull week ahead. So thanks for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video if you have enjoyed what you've seen. Thank you so much. Bye bye.